Hello, Moto.
Ooh, I missed that. Hello guys, Justin here of Tech, and as most of you may know, the Moto G 5G Plus isn't fresh in the market today. It was released earlier this year, but that doesn't mean it's outdated. It's a mid-range 5G ready device with a 90Hz refresh rate display, a Snapdragon 765 processor, a stock Android software, and some interesting cameras. Finally, it's officially available in the Philippines, and let's take a quick look at it. Before we talk about its features, let's see what's in the box first. Alright, opening it up, we get the phone right away with the jelly case attached to it already. Let's put that aside first. And then we get this smaller box that includes the paperwork and a SIM ejector tool. Then other things included are its USB Type-C cable, some regular earphones, and this black adapter. So right away, the Moto G 5G Plus has this water-repellent, tough-looking body. It looks like glass, but it's actually made out of a polycarbonate material, making it lighter than it looks. It only comes in this surfing blue color, with Moto enhancing it with somehow a luminous rigged back pattern. You can find its square-shaped camera module here, as well as a dual LED flash and the Moto logo, of course. Located on the right are its volume rocker together with its power button that also functions as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, on the left is a dedicated Google Assistant button and a card tray for one nano SIM and one micro SD card. Up top is a secondary microphone, while at the bottom are its loudspeaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack. Nice. Moving over to its display, the Moto G 5G Plus has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Cinema Vision 90Hz display. On its upper left side, we can find two front cameras that are applied like googly eyes. It's cute. There's also a front speaker on the top part of the screen. Under the hood, this device packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 5G chip paired with an Adreno 650 GPU, and locally we get 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. We also get a large 5000 mAh battery with 20 watts turbo power fast charging support. Moto claims that its battery can last you up to 2 days of use, and we'll see about that in our full review soon. Moving on, running the software is Android 10, and as I've mentioned earlier, it's stock Android, but with a slight touch of Motorola with the Moto Experience app. And as for cameras, we get a quad rear camera setup composed of a 48-megapixel main, a 5-megapixel macro lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, its dual shooters consist of an 8-megapixel lens and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide, making this Motorola's first ever ultra-wide front camera system. For now, take a look at some of the photos we took. Now, all these features come with an attractive price tag of 16,990 pesos. And it looks really competitive on paper that we can't wait to use it more for our full review soon. So stay tuned, guys. And that's it for now. We'd like to hear your thoughts about this Moto G 5G Plus in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.